Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Dodge Charger RT versus Infiniti Q50. Let's immediately dive into their performance. The Charger RT boasts a 5.7-liter Hemi V8, delivering around 370 horsepower, offering that classic American muscle car feel. The Infiniti Q50, especially the Red Sport 400, counters with a 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6, capable of up to 400 horsepower. Both provide thrilling acceleration, but with distinct power delivery characteristics. Moving inside, the Charger RT provides a functional, spacious interior, focusing on a driver-centric experience with its Uconnect infotainment system, often an 8.4-inch screen. The Infiniti Q50, however, leans into luxury, offering a more refined cabin with higher quality materials and a sophisticated dual-screen infotainment setup. Both offer comfortable seating, but the Q50 generally feels more upscale and modern. When it comes to driving dynamics, the Charger RT embraces its muscle car heritage, offering a powerful, engaging ride, especially in a straight line. Its suspension is tuned for a firm, confident feel. The Infiniti Q50, on the other hand, provides a more balanced and agile experience, blending sportiness with luxury. It boasts responsive steering and a chassis designed for a more refined, yet still exciting, drive. Considering value and ownership, the Charger RT often provides a compelling performance-for-dollar proposition, making high horsepower accessible. The Infiniti Q50, with its premium branding and luxury features, typically sits at a higher price point. Both models generally offer solid reliability within their respective classes. Before you go, make sure to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.